Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to solve a Python code to check whether a given string is good string or not. Okay, so what is a good string basically? So the string which returns, or the function which returns us the only non-repetitive digits, or sorry, characters, for example. So suppose if this is a string a, b, c, d, d, e, e. Okay, so it should return us a, b, c, d, e. Okay, and if it is ABC, then it should return us ABC, and if it is AA, BB, CC, something like this, it should return us ABC. Okay, so let's write a simple function to check that, and then I will explain you the full flow. Okay, so let's write define good string, and we'll take the string here. Okay, so first we'll give x is equal to len of a. Okay, then what we will do, we will create an empty string here. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to initialize a j variable with a of 0. Okay, now for I in range x, okay, 1 to x. Okay, we don't want that, so what we will check is, okay, and one more thing, we will initialize h is equal to h plus is equal to a of 0 also. Okay, so you will understand this why I have done that. Okay, for I in range 1 comma x, what I need to do is, if a of I is not equal to j, then what I need to do is I need to h plus is equal to a of I. Okay, and then what I need to do is I need to do j is equal to a of I. Okay, this is the code, and here I need to return I. Okay, and here I need to return -1 because it is return, I need to return h, right? Sorry, h, that's it, sorry, I was in other loop. So I need to return h here. Okay, and we need to give one more condition here. If x is equal to 1, then just return a, because if it is just a single character is present for that. Okay, now let's print good string of, suppose, say a, b, b, c, c. Let's check this first. Okay, I'm getting, okay, sorry, the code was correct actually, so return statements need to be given here. Okay, so basically if I give here, it is ending here at the first iteration itself, and I'm returning h, so that is why I was getting only a. Okay, so basically what we need to do here is abc we are getting. Now let's check for just abc or something, a, b, b, d, d, e. Okay, like this. Let's give it a complex, so a, b, c, d, e, I'm getting it. Now let's give a, b and c, just abc. Oh, sorry, we check that, so let's give a, so I should get a. So this is the code, guys. So how it is working here is, so basically len of a is x, and h is definitely the empty string. So first we are initializing the first character to j. Okay, and then h is also like initializing to first character. Okay, so obviously, so you can directly return h if it in this also, I think it works. Okay, so if it is a, it should return a. Yeah, so we need not give this condition, so you can directly give this also. Now what is happening here, for I in range 1 to x, so we have given specifically 1 to x, so a of I is second character, so which is not equal to j, right? So then it is concatenating to the given empty string, else it will pass it. Okay, it will not get into this condition, and it will iterate, and finally it will give us a good string. Okay, so this is a simple code to check whether the given string is good string or not. Okay, so hope you learned something from this video. So if you do hit the subscribe button, and until then, take care, bye bye.